In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix MSVCP 140 underscore 2 DLL missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows 11. So go to the Windows search bar and search for system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser, any browser on your Windows. Search for the missing DLL, just put download and hit enter. Click on the first option, scroll down and you have to click the download button that is corresponding to the architecture or the system type of your Windows 11 and simply wait for this to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Then right click on the folder, select extract all and click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click and then select copy. And go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder. Locate the System32 folder, here it is. Right click and then select paste. Okay, paste that here. Once everything is done, just close the remaining windows, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Step 2, open a browser again. In the search bar, search for Visual C++ for distributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type and simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Step 3, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option on the right pane and type sfc space / scan now. Scan now just one word and no space in between and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is completed, just type exit in the command prompt window and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.